What's going on YouTube? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to repair loose pot and pan handles. You know, those annoying pot and pan handles. There's going to be two fixes. One way I'm going to show you how to just tighten these handles. And the second way I'm going to show you a permanent fix so you'll never have these loose handles again. For the first way to tighten the handle, if you just want to tighten the handle, if you flip the pan over in the bottom back, you'll see a Torx head screw. And to tighten a Torx head screw, I got this item number 62657 from Harbor Freight, and it was only $8.99. If you open it up, you can see the different Torx sizes inside here, and mine happens to be a T25 Torx. So I pulled that out already, and I have that on my screwdriver. And all we have to do is tighten it up. So you got almost two turns out of that, a turn and a half. Now you have a nice tight handle. For some people that might be good enough, but for me it's not. I want a permanent fix. I never want to have to tighten these things again. They're always getting loose on me. So over here I have a pot that's all apart. This is where the screw goes into. And to permanently fix this, I'm going to be using this Threadlock that I also purchased at Harbor Freight. Item number 96059, and I bought this for $2.50. This is a thread lock. You put it on the threads of the screw and it locks the screw in place so it will never back off. And this is how you do it. You remove the screw all the way, open up the thread lock, put a dab of thread lock on the threads. Doesn't take much. Now we're going to put the handle back on, place this back in, and now we got our screw with a thread lock. Set that down in there. Get our Torx driver again. Tighten it down nice and securely. There we go, just like that, nice and tight. Now we're going to let this thread lock set up, and to give it a little bit of time for it to dry. So overnight will be fine, and then that thread lock will tighten those threads on that screw, and you'll never have a screw that will back off and give you one of those loose, annoying pot handles ever again. I'll have the tools that I purchased at Harbor Freight linked in the description below. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, please press the like and subscribe button. Thank you for viewing.